Bharatiya civilization or Indian civilization is so old. Just I want to tell one example. One example has mentioned in our culture, or you can say in our old books, and you can't say that time was a book. Knowledge was transferring by one generation to another generation verbally. It was mentioned once entire world was flooded. People will say that was a myth. It is impossible. There is no doubt lot of story used to added, but think about that when Himalaya was constructed. As you know, once the actual this Himalaya portion, you can say modern India, Pakistan, or Bangladesh, or you can say old India, all was attached with South Africa, Australia, North America, and South America also was attached with Africa. And Africa is again breaking, might be after thousands of years, again possibility it will hit to Kerala area. Think about how was strong after collision 8 kilometer. Himalaya is folding like if suppose this hit is happening, this nothing will happen. Only if how you can say in speed this hit will happen in 8 kilometer structure was built. Think about the distance between Africa and Australia, distance between Africa and and South America. If such kind of a collision will happen, and where 70% of water in this earth, obviously few days, entire world was flooded by water. And this is mentioned, and like once one king was make a big boat and he put all this like a different creature, different kind of seeds and other thing. Okay, now world is going to flood it. Just go and search what is the time of Himalaya constructed. So those only things like what is the physical evidence. Physical evidence only people used to get if some kind of disruption happened, like due to war or due to you can say like earthquake or something, like people could not get a time to move and they used to die, then you can get their structure. Think about where your structure, a house and other thing is built in your native place. Like in my district history, it is mentioned like Gautam Rajputs or Gautam Kshatriya came in my district in 12th century. It's very hard to find any evidence. Hardly I just search in my backyard and other thing. Max to max 150 or 200 years ago, one ox, we say bell chakki means ox that was making wheat to flour. That is just in backyard. Only that, except that evidence, it is very hard because you are just constructing a new construction on to the same place. So it's very hard to find. Same thing, Aryan, like Western Britishers make a uh, stupid concept, Dravidian. Like Dravid was actual owner of India. Aryan came from like Middle East or this Middle Asia, and then they captured India. Think about that. Nothing is mentioned. Where it is mentioned about this entire world was with flooded, this thing was mentioned, and that time nothing was mentioned like any concept of Dravidian. Like, and then to get the political benefit in politics, also politicians used to say, oh, Telugu, Malayalam, and Kannada are the Dravidian language, Aryan language is different, and other thing. So think about that. Nothing is mentioned in our history, which we got from one generation to another generation through verbal or people used to write into the some like stones or that time used to write into the paper. Nowhere it is mentioned either in our Ved or Purans. Puran was written later as explanation, so Puran was also adulterated. So nowhere it is mentioned. So think about that. Where it was mentioned, time of the construction of the Himalaya, only that time I realized the entire world was flooded with water. And obviously, this possibility. Think about the speed of the collision. 8 kilometer, just Mountain Everest, all the, you can say, world highest, you can tallest or what, highest or whatever you can say, mountains and peaks are in Himalaya region. Think about the speed of the construction, speed of the collision, and speed that Australia and South Africa, sorry, uh, North America and South America, how much distance this. And this is not like just very slowly, slowly, slowly. Break is happening slowly. Like again, Africa is breaking in two parts. So Earth has a in a different plates are in the Earth. So if you have little bit knowledge about the geography, then you will come to know about this thing. So my main intention was to tell about the truth. Same thing. Max Muller came and Max Muller. This is the Max Muller concept. What is the mention in about the RA? Like their nose was very sharp. This, that, another thing. So now this kind of people is not available. So this kind of people possibilities of RA is from Middle Asia, like Azerbaijan, and this now they are fighting. So that area, the Aryan came and other thing. But Arya was a culture. So if they will mention something wrong analysis, then Western people will say. Then again in history you will add yeah, without any logic, any analysis. Just accepting is not better to use your mind. Better to do your analysis prior to accepting anything. So Indian civilizations is the oldest civilization across the world, and that's why it was mentioned. If it was mentioned, Emperor Bharat took the control of entire earth and then make the Ikshwasu dynasty, means Ikshwasu Gadhraj. And Ikshwasu was the Elias name of Rishabdev. Rishabdev has a different name like Rishabdev, Adinath, because he converted the bull to ox. So, like Brishab means Baal. So again, I'm just not going to make this video long. Intention was you can't predict about how old is the Indian civilization. Thanks for watching my video.